Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to remove background. Right-click, go to Plugins, and click on Manage Plugins. Search for Background Remover. Select this Pickwish and click on Run. Sign up to Pickwish. Go back to Figma. Place an image to Figma. Right-click, go to Plugins, and select Pickwish Background Remover. It depends on the image if it will cleanly remove the background like this. Thanks for watching! For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!